Hi, Ageless Beauty. Are you confused, frustrated, and overwhelmed with your makeup? I understand. So I have a solution for you. This is a 5-minute makeup, and it's also hot flash friendly. So let's jump right in. Have your skin already prepped, cleansed, moisturized, ready to go. And then I want you to start with a like a CC cream or a BB cream, or a lightweight foundation, just a little teeny tiny bit. Less is more. That's the key for a mature makeover. So we're going to start in the center of the face. This is where we have the most discoloration, and the technique is going to be to tap. Instead of pulling and tugging on our skin, we're going to tap our foundation on our face, starting in the middle and then just working your way out. We don't want to cover the whole face, and otherwise we'll look cakey, clown-like. So that's how you're going to apply your foundation. Next is going to be a cream concealer. So go ahead and get a cream concealer. Most of us have this darkness right here. So this is where I want you to apply. Pull down and just do a couple dots there, right here. Using your ring finger, you can go like this, kind of press that into the skin. Don't tug. Your ring finger is the lightest, the weakest finger on your hand, so that we won't pull too hard. And then a little bit here on the eyelid is fine too. Then you're going to want to set everything with a like a translucent powder. So I put a little bit in the lid, and then very lightly. We don't want to look powdery, so this is just to keep everything in place and keep everything from moving. Next thing is going to be your blush. I want you to have a color that's going to be peachy pink. And the way you're going to apply it is going to be on top of the cheekbones. We're not going to apply it on the apples of our cheeks, because if we're smiling and it's here and we're not smiling, it's there. So we're trying to bring everything up. So we're just going over here on the top of your cheekbone, like that. And then you're going to do your eyebrows. Now, they may have thinned out, so what I want you to do is you might have a lot here and then not as much here. So the key is we're going to start here with your color, and you're just going to fill this in here, little strokes, and then come up over here and fill in any sparse hairs. That way your brow won't be too bold and drastic and unnatural looking. So now I have a little hack for you. I'm using the same blush, and I'm using a fluffy brush, and we're going to use this as an eyeshadow. Here is a technique that I want you to use if you've got a lot of crepiness, and that is we're going to go right in the crease, and you're going to do little circular motions to apply the product instead of just sweeping it back and forth. Because if we've got that crepiness, we want to have a nice finish there. So a little bit of that blush and little circular motions. That way you don't have to have separate eyeshadows. Just use that same color. Everything's harmonized. Next is going to be your mascara. The best way to apply mascara is going to be to go right at the base of your lash and wiggle back and forth to get a lot of product there, and then pull it up like you're brushing your hair. So I say you like brush, brush, brush like you're brushing your teeth, and then pull it up like you're brushing your hair. I only use mascara on the top lashes. If you put it on the bottom, you have a better chance of start creating some shadows and some smudging and that type of thing. I try to stay away from that. All right, and then you're going to finish off with a lip color, a nice neutral lip gloss. And there you go. There's your 5-minute face. Alrighty. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.